Hello guys, this is Pawan from Ambidotronics. So today in this video tutorial basically I will tell you about how we can basically write one file in USB pen drive using one simple C snippet. So what I will do, I'll just write one program in Visual Studio Code, and I'll show you how we can using one small code we can just write a one hello world kind of text or anything in basically any mass storage device. So we will, for mass storage device currently we will use pen drive. You can connect any mass storage device like hard disk, small hard disk, or maybe any hard disk you want, but it should be a mass storage device. So okay, let's get started. So what will you do? We will just go to file, and we'll just click on open folder, and here in this we will just go to desktop, and here we will create a new folder, and here we will let's say we will give it a name USB write. Okay, that is fine. Now we will select this folder, and here this is the thing. Now we will just click on this plus thing. This is for new file creation, so we'll just click on this, and here we will give file name like USB underscore write, and extension, as we are writing in C, so extension should be in C. So USB write.c, and this is the thing here. And now we have the code here in this. I'll just explain each line here written here. So let's just first copy this thing, and we'll paste it, and here basically here we are using Windows API. So first we have included windows.h includer, and then normal stdio.h is there for any C code. Now in the main function we have one array that is called file path, and max path is if I'll click this max path, this is defined in win-def.h. so here it is 260. So max length is 260, and here we are specifying the drive letter. We can also do we can also run one for loop, and then we can iterate through that loop, and we can check which drive letter we are getting. But I just want to keep this program short for a while. I just let's assume if we know that we have a drive letter F, or because in my system if I connect any hard disk or pen drive, then I'll get F letter. So you can check what letter you are getting. Otherwise you can also put one loop and iterate through that, and you can get what letter you are getting from your drive. So this is the thing here from this 8th line. And then we are using sn-printf, where we have sprintf. It's just like sprintf. In sprintf we have 3 arguments, but in sn-printf we have more arguments than 3. So here basically this is the file path. So this file path is the array, and here it will contain all things like max path. Max path is the 256 thing. This is the constant, and here %c hello.txt, and then drive letter. So we are getting F, so here it will come F. So this F hello.txt will go to this file path. So this file path will basically will contain our path, file name and path. So again after that we will create a text file on the USB drive. So for that we will use file handling in C, and then that is nothing but these functions like fopen and fprintf. So here we are taking f1 file pointer, that is file asterisk file, and then fopen, and then again two arguments, one is file path and w is for we are creating. Fopen is used basically for opening a file or also for creating a file. So if a file isn't created yet, so it will create file using fopen, and if it is created, then it will just open that file in a write mode. So here file isn't created, so it will what it will do, it will just create the file and it will create that file in a write mode. So fopen file path, and then w is for it will open that file in a write mode. And if condition is like file is not equal to null, so it means some characters some thing is there in that file pointer, then it will go to this if condition, and in fprintf it will just print the hello world in this file pointer. And then obviously one thing you should always remember, that whenever we will open any file, then we should always close that file. So this fclose function is very much important here. So we will close that file basically using this fclose function. So fclose file we are using here. Now through the last line printf, we are saying like file created on USB drive, %s file paths. File path will again come like f colon slash backslash hello.txt. So this thing will be printed if it is succeed, and if it is not succeeded, then what will happen, then it will just print like failed to create the file on USB drive. So this is the thing in this code. It's a very small snippet, and it will return 0. Obviously as soon as it will success, so it will come out of this function. So now what will you do, we will just save this, and we'll go to this 3 dot, and we'll click on this new terminal. And as in my last video also, I told you how we can use gcc command simply to compile our code. So here also we will do the same thing, gcc output, and we'll just give the same name of our executable as our file name. So usb underscore write dot exe, then usb underscore write dot c. So we'll hit the enter. So what will happen here, where my cursor is here, one usb underscore write dot exe will be created if this program will be compiled successfully. So let's hit the enter and let's see the results. So here we go. So here you can see now here usb underscore write dot exe is created. So now what will you do, we will just run this thing dot backslash usb underscore write dot exe. So we'll hit the enter, and it will just run our executable. So we'll hit the enter. So here we are getting the message failed to create the file on USB drive f hello.txt, because currently I didn't connect any mass storage device to my PC. Now I'll just connect my pen drive to my PC. So let's see. So it's connected now. Okay, it's connected. So here folder is empty and nothing is there. Now what will you do, we will just minimize it, and now we will just run the same thing, usb write.txt, and here you can see the message file created on USB drive f.hello.txt. So if I'll just go to my USB drive, now here you can see this hello.txt is generated, and if I'll double click on this, then this text hello world is also printed. So this is the thing. Even if you want like hello world from PC, like anything, if you want,
to print, you can print it to your text file. So I'm just saving it again, and again so again you need to save it, and then you need to again recompile it. I'm compiling it now. It is compiled, and again you need to run this executable. So file created on USB drive, hello.txt, and again if you just go here, it will be updated hello world from PC. So this way you can work on this, how we can write in any file in USB pen drive. First we will detect the drive, and then we will write the data on drive. So I hope that you like this tutorial. If you have any doubt regarding this, feel free to comment us below. Thanks for watching this video.